The slot and lock shower cabin has been designed for easy installation. All the panels slot together and lock into position. No screws are required. The product is totally unique to Aqualux. The slot and lock product is available in 3 glass panel color options: black, white and green. Position the tray into its final position. Using the spirit level, adjust the feet to ensure the tray is level. Move the tray out of position at this stage. Ensure you have enough room to assemble and rotate panels into position. Using the silicone gun, apply silicone sealant into the 4 pre-drilled tray holes on the top of the tray. Insert the coloured central control panel by locating the pins into the pre-drilled holes positioned at the back of the tray. Align the coloured back panel to engage the aluminium profiles. Swing the side panel round to lock in place, and then lower the panel to engage the pin at the other end of the panel. Repeat for the other side panel. This is the rear view of the shower. The central control panel and 2 side panels are now in place. Lay the bottom rail on the shower tray. Ensure the rail clips are unlocked. Align the clear glass front with the rear side back panel, swinging it round to click it into place. Locate it into the bottom rail. Repeat for the other panel. Situate the top rail into place over the clear glass front panels and slot into place. Then slide the clips across to secure into position. Attach the shower hose by screwing into place and position the multifunctional shower head, adjusting the riser rail accordingly. Hang the doors by locating the bearings into the top runner. Click the bottom bearings into the runner by depressing the button above the rollers to locate the bearings into the bottom rail. Carefully move the slot and lock back into the final position. Push fit the shower tray skirt into position. Slot the door sealing strips into the glass by pressing into position. The slot and lock tray is complete with upstands, so it is completely watertight. Mark the position for the fixing bracket holes onto the wall. Move the slot and lock away from the wall. Drill holes into the marked area on the wall. Position the slot and lock to enable plumbing. Attach the hot and cold inlet pipes to the back of the shower unit. Attach the waste pipe. Push the slot and lock into position. Locate the wall brackets into the slot provided on the top of the enclosure and screw into the drilled holes to stabilize the unit. Do not over-tighten the wall bracket fixing to the wall. Allow movement. Ensure the enclosure is level and adjust the legs if necessary. Your slot and lock is fully installed and ready to use.